Hey everyone, the Garmin Bounce 2 is a smartwatch designed specifically for children, offering a careful balance of safety, communication, and entertainment. At its core, the watch provides LTE connectivity, which allows parents to remain in touch with their kids without requiring a smartphone. Through the Garmin Jr app, parents and authorized contacts can send text messages or make two-way voice calls, ensuring constant communication when needed. The watch is equipped with both a microphone and speaker for direct conversations, and children can respond using audio messages, transcribe voice replies, or by typing through a full on-screen keyboard. This makes the Bounce 2 versatile, catering to different scenarios, whether a child prefers speaking or writing back. A key feature for parental reassurance is the real-time location tracking system. Parents can monitor their child's whereabouts directly from the app, and geofencing is supported for added safety. Temporary geofences can be set up to notify parents the moment their child enters or leaves a specific area, such as a school, park, or friend's house. Beyond communication and safety, the Bounce 2 emphasizes fun and active living. It encourages children to take part in fitness and sports by supporting a variety of activities such as team sports, running, walking, cycling, jump roping, and even pickleball. The smartwatch gamifies these activities by offering colorful themes, animations, and rewards, which keep kids motivated and engaged. Entertainment is also a strong part of the Bounce 2's design. Children can download music directly to the device and listen through the built-in speaker or a connected set of headphones. Integration with Amazon Music means kids can enjoy playlists, songs, or audiobooks, though access requires a Prime or unlimited subscription. Voice commands further enhance usability, allowing kids to perform tasks such as starting timer or calling their parents hands-free, making the device more intuitive and less reliant on navigating menus. The hardware itself is built to withstand the energy of childhood. With a circular 1.2-inch AMOLED display, the screen is bright, colorful, and easy to navigate through both touch and the two-side navigation buttons. The watch is also swim-proof, which means children can wear it in the pool or during play without worry. Its durability ensures it can handle day-to-day bumps and splashes, while the design remains lightweight and comfortable for long wear. The battery lasts for up to 2 days on single charge, which is adequate for a child-focused smartwatch that includes LTE and GPS functions, though it will require regular charging. Visually, the Bounce 2 is designed with children in mind and is available in playful yet stylish colors including slate gray, turquoise, and light purple. These color options provide variety for different tastes and help make the device feel personal to the child wearing it. When it comes to cost, the Bounce 2 is priced at $299, placing it in the premium category for kid-friendly smartwatches. The LTE connectivity requires a subscription, with Garmin offering plans at $9.99 per month. In all, the Garmin Bounce 2 successfully blends the serious responsibilities of parental safety tools with the engaging and fun features children seek. It gives kids a sense of independence while ensuring parents retain reliable means of communication and monitoring. Between its durable design, activity tracking, music integration, and comprehensive LTE functions, it stands as a versatile smartwatch that caters to both sides of the parent-child relationship. For families looking for a secure and enjoyable way to introduce children to the world of connected devices, the Bounce 2 is a strong contender. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.